This is a brand new 2011 Ford Escape and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include a power driver's seat, air conditioning, leather steering wheel trim, a multi-link rear suspension, a 4-wheel independent suspension, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, external temperature display, and 4 well-positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
New Prague Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1185 280th Street West in New Prague.